Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to use fewer tokens in Claude Code so you can make your usage last longer and reduce costs. First, open your browser and search for Claude. Then open the first official Claude website and launch Claude Code. One of the best ways to save tokens is to start a new chat whenever you begin a different task. Long conversations keep adding more context, which increases token usage. Anthropic recommends using the clear command when switching to a new task in compact if you want to keep a short summary while reducing context size. Next, be as specific as possible with your prompts. Instead of asking Claude to analyze your entire project, tell it exactly which file or function you want to work on. Smaller requests use fewer tokens and usually get faster responses. You should also choose the right model for the job. Use lighter models for simple tasks and save more powerful models for complex coding problems. This can significantly reduce your overall token usage. Finally, avoid asking Claude to repeat information you've already received. Keep your prompts short and focused and only include the files or code that are necessary for the current task. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest ways to use fewer tokens in Claude Code. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.